down here. Right on. Gonna it's gonna be behind there, so he's underneath it, right? So I'm gonna draw a curved line, taking into account his antennae. I'm gonna draw a curved. Like the bottom part, right? Like you're holding a pizza over your head. You're seeing that bottom part right there of that burger. I'm gonna pull a line up here. Gonna pull a line up here on this side as well for the bottom bun, because we kind of vaguely know what a Krabby Patty looks like. And again, I'm putting this line across here, but I'm again taking into account his antenna. So let's draw the, I don't know, the meat, whatever, in there, the meat layer. All of it curves. They're all curving. Like, see this? That's the meat. Draw another straight line across, and that's going to be the here at the top. Oops, we're gonna do it slowly. This big bulb over here at the top. So now you have the top of that burger, and there's like sesame seeds on that, on the burger bun itself. I'm drawing little random specks of circles there to essentially show that. Yeah, I don't want to draw too many because then it's gonna get in the way. And that is it. That is it. That's Plankton stealing Krabby Patty. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me add a couple of dark lines over here. But yeah, like if you enjoyed that, hit the subscribe button. If I'm gonna draw lots of stuff like this, lots of cute stuff, lots of Godzilla stuff, lots of stuff. So basically click the bell notification and click the subscribe and bell notification. If you liked it, press the like button. Apparently the like button really helps out the algorithm. So when you press like, it's really gonna help out. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. If you wanna learn to draw more, like more complicated stuff, go to my Skillshare. That link's in the description. Go check that out. And there's a lot of stuff there. There's like how to draw a dragon. There's how to draw like a human anatomy. I go through every part of human anatomy. I go to other cute stuff, but you know, a lot of it's here. Like cute dinosaurs and stuff like that. Although I have cute dinosaurs on here as well. So that is pretty much it. I appreciate you guys. You're amazing. I'm really just kind of, you know,